You're gonna be like that.
Hey. See? Wait. Wash fingers. That's what you have to do. I know. But I did it like that and they jumped on my chest. She'd rather play with the tub.
I think so. She was trying to get some of the food, but then...
This is more fun. Disturbance.
Oh my gosh.
You're just gonna spill your food everywhere, aren't you? Pretty much. Oh, Penny.
Penny. You're so cute.
It's mine.
Oh.
It is mine. Well, I think we know who won.
Wow. She could pick up
She's
a...
strong. Look at her. Look at the baby Hulk over here.
Just don't fall on my leg, please.
Let's see. Has your pride been damaged, or is this round 2? Round 2 commences. That's how they. You should see them with the pine cone.
I have.
Roll right over.
They're funny.
Look at her. Round 2. Here we go. Here we go. You taking that with you? Maybe a little bit.
Oh my gosh. I'm getting this.
Look at her move.
I know. She's.
I don't know. Maybe it owes her money and she's trying to get it back.
I'm getting this
Fighting
all
that
on
thing.
video
Look at
too.
her. You left all of your food out on the floor. But yet you
Is
want
she
to
gonna
play.
put that in her cage?
I don't know, but I'm gonna take that out.
Because
I
it
think
looks
she
like she's
wants to
trying
take it in there. I think she does.
That's what it looks like she's trying to do.
She's
Like.
trying to get it over. She's gonna be mad when I have to take that out. It's like, maybe I'll just stop here and chew on it for a while. Yeah, she's gonna stop there and chew.
Oh my god. Okay.